all. My name is Dhanashi Ganesh Kolle from class 8th Kaizen. My class teacher name is Seema Miss. As you know that we all are here gathered to celebrate the Jayanti of Annabhau Sate. Dr. Tukaram Bhaurao Sate was popularly known as Annabhau Sate. Annabhau Sate was a social reformer, folk poet and Dalit writer from Maharashtra. He was born on 1st August 1920 and passed away on 18th July 1969. Despite lacking formal education, Sate wrote 35 novels in Marathi. He was follower of Dr. Ambedkar teaching. Sate's stories were testaments to Dalits for their self-respect and resistance. He says that Dalits are entailed with the responsibility of hereditary and shielding the Dalits from the existing worldly and Hindu torture. Annabhau Sate was born in Vategaon village near Sangli district of Maharashtra. Poverty due to caste discrimination prevented Sate from obtaining formal education. His brother Shankar Bhau Sate recount his biography of Sate and titled Maze Bhau Anna Bhau, that the family worked as the laborers in the Kalyan tunnel when it was being constructed. As you know that Sate wrote 35 novels in Marathi. One of them is Fakira. Fakira in its 19th edition gets State Government Award in 1961. And thank you to all teachers to give this opportunity to speak in front of you. Thank you.